Okay. Hello, friends. My name is Carly. We are in the elevator
At the Navy Lodge.
at the Navy Lodge, Hawaii.
Honolulu.
Fort Island. Let's see.
Let's see who we can meet.
Now we're gonna wait for random people to come into the elevator. Yeah.
We need to press a button. We're going to the 3rd floor.
Oh, I didn't realize we weren't moving.
Now we are on our
we
way.
are.
On our journey.
We have helium balloons.
Mine is
Helium.
pink.
Mine is red. Mine was purple, but someone lost it. The door is opening.
No.
It's not. Never mind.
We're on the 2nd floor.
Now we're on the 3rd floor. Is anyone
Let's see.
open?
Let's see who we can meet.
Okay, well, remember you have to pretend that you're looking at pictures when you take a video of people.
Okay.
Because then, can we leave now? Goodness gracious, wait, no!
Now we'll go to the 2nd floor.
We are back. Live.
Hi.
With Jessica in the elevator.
Let's see who we can meet.
This is the elevator door.
Floor number
It's
2.
big. Where are we going now? We're going
Let's see
down.
where it takes us.
Smoking is prohibited by law.
Do you feel it?
Oh, you jumped. It didn't work. Is anyone coming? Hello? Okay.
This is going to be one long video.
Do something funny.
I'll run out in the hallway.
Gotta make sure the elevator doesn't close. Kiss the walls, Jessica, kiss them. You know you love them. It smells like McDonald's. Get back in the elevator. Don't kiss me. Get back, no. Oh my god. The door almost killed us. This is like bad.
Where are the people?
Seriously, why aren't there people in this place? Let's go to floor 1 now.
Why don't we just wait in the elevator for people to come?
Okay.
Caillou.
Balloon. Anyone? Oh yes, I really do like this picture a lot. It's really cute. No one's coming. Open door. Open. There's no one around. Oh my goodness. Back in the elevator. Now we're going up. Up. Down. Look at my feet. They're so white. So white feet. Who?
People.
Yeah. If someone actually comes on the elevator, we should call the fire department. Balloon, 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 balloon. Sing a song.
If we...
We're not moving!
I know that's a plan. That way we'll press a button.
Oh, really?
Our voices sound funny in here.
Do they really?
Echo.
Echo.
My turn.
Okay.
Back to Carly.
Hey, we can...
This is a long video. Earthquake. Want to do the jumping thing?
Okay. Is it what's coming? Oh man. We're moving now. What does this do? I hear people. I bet those are people. Ew. Never mind.
Did it stop?
I just hurt.
Carly burped.
Okay, now you take a video of you running.
Oh, running? Okay.
Okay. James Bond. Yes.
I'm going to sit.
Okay then. Ooh.
Oh, let's go down and jump.
Oh, we're not moving. 1, we'll jump. You want to go 1? Do you want to press the alarm?
Too late to jump. Ready?
We are stuck in the elevator.
Too late to jump. Too late.
Oh, man. Capacity, 3,500 pounds.
I think we're breaking it.
Uh-oh. No one rides this elevator whatsoever. It's pretty sad, huh? Don't you dare close on me. No! You look creepy. Where are we going? What? We're recording for 6 minutes.
Nobody's coming.
It'll be like 30 minutes before someone comes.
Let me know later.
Hello. Okay. Now we look.
Coming.
So I like this picture a lot. It's really cute. Veterans. No. Open.
Why?
Because someone might be coming.
Oh.
So I think someone. I hear someone. Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't think anyone's. Anyone need an elevator ride?
Should we ask someone they found?
That was cool.
Let's just wait here.
Let's do that.
This is my favorite corner.
Pretty rad. There's a fan up there.
Carly, you need to stop smoking. I hate it.
Oh, someone's too close.